Everywhere I scroll, I see people talking about making money using AI stores. They claim they're making hundreds, sometimes even thousands of dollars every single month. And honestly, it sounds kind of unbelievable. Because they say you don't need to create your own products at all. You don't need a warehouse or any inventory sitting at home. And apparently, you can run the whole thing from your laptop, from anywhere in the world. So the big question is this actually real or just another internet myth? I didn't want to just believe it, so I decided to test it myself from scratch. My goal is simple: build a complete online store using AI tools. And the crazy part? I'm starting with almost no money. Let's see if this actually works in real life. But before I start, I gave myself 3 strict rules. So, before I start building this AI store, I set myself 3 strict rules. Because, without rules, this wouldn't be a real test. And trust me, these rules make it much harder. Rule number 1. I can only use free AI tools, no paid shortcuts. That means no expensive apps, no hidden costs, nothing. Rule number 2. I have to build everything using just my laptop. No team, no help, just me and AI. And rule number 3. I have less than 1 hour to finish everything. Yeah, this just got intense. Oh, and my total budget? Just $1. Let's start the timer. Stay tight for the next session, choosing the niche. This one decision can decide if I make money or fail completely. Before building anything, I need to pick a niche. A niche is basically the type of products I'll sell. I could choose fashion, pets, gadgets, or home products. Most beginners pick something they like. But that's a mistake. You should pick something that people are already spending money on. So I'm thinking, where is the demand? Fitness looks strong. People always buy workout gear and health products. So I'm choosing fitness. Now let's see if AI can build the store. This is where it gets interesting. Stay tight for the next session. AI builds my store. All right, now the AI is about to build my store. Let's see if it's actually real. I've set up the Shopify account and connected it to the AI tool. All I need to do is click Build My Store, sit back, and watch the magic happen. The AI chooses banners, products, and even writes descriptions all automatically. I'm starting to see the store take shape. Buttons, pages, products, everything is coming together. Honestly, it's faster than I could ever do manually. Look at this. The products are organized, the homepage looks professional, even the footer is done. I'm kind of impressed. This really feels like a legit store ready to sell. Just one click to publish and boom, my AI-built store is live. Next, I'll find the winning products that actually make money. Don't miss it. This is where the journey gets real. All right, my AI-built store is live. Now it's time to find the products that actually make money. I'm going to let the AI help me pick the trending, best-selling items. From dumbbells to resistance bands, the right products can make hundreds of dollars a day, if chosen correctly. AI scans the market, sees what people are buying, and suggests products I'm most likely to sell. Look at this! The AI even writes catchy product descriptions and adds professional photos automatically. I can import these products directly to my store. No inventory, no packaging, no shipping. AI handles it all. These items aren't random. They're proven winners based on real sales data. Now, I just need to double-check the pricing and make small tweaks for maximum profit. Okay, everything is ready. These products are live and ready to sell. Next, we'll actually promote them and see if people buy. The moment of truth. Don't miss it. This is where the money starts coming in. All right, moment of truth. Did anyone actually buy from my AI store? It's been 24 hours since I launched, and I'm honestly a bit nervous. I open my dashboard and I see my first sale. Then another and another. This is actually working. In total, I got around 10 real customers buying my product. That's about $170 in revenue in just one day. After product costs and promotion, I made around $80 profit. Not life-changing, but remember I started with just $1. And most of the work was done by AI. Now imagine scaling this. Next, can this turn into real income? So I made around $80, but the real question is, can this scale? Because $80 is nice, but it's not life-changing. But what if I repeat this again and again? If one product makes money, I can test 10 more. If one influencer brings sales, I can work with 5 more. And if I improve my store slightly, I can increase profits even more. This is how small numbers turn into hundreds, and then thousands. And the crazy part? AI handles most of the work. So this isn't just a one-time result, it's a system. But remember, this still takes testing, learning, and patience. Nothing is truly easy money. Would you try this? Follow for more real experiments. So after all this, is making money with an AI store actually worth it? I started with just $1 and built everything using AI. I didn't create products, I didn't manage inventory, and I still managed to get real sales. So yes, this actually works. But here's the truth most people won't tell you. It's not instant success, and it's definitely not effortless. You still need to test products, learn marketing, and stay consistent. But AI makes everything faster and much easier to start. So if you treat this like a real business, it can grow. And that's the difference between people who succeed and those who quit. Would you try this? Follow for more real experiments.